Hello guys, welcome back. This is xModder077. So today we're going to be looking at this Boeing 737-300 belonging to the Boeing 737 Classic series. These are narrow-body, single-aisled, twin-engine airliners manufactured by Boeing commercial airplanes. The whole 737 family is one of the most popular narrow-body commercial jetliners ever produced and definitely one of Boeing's bestsellers. Now this particular sketch here features a 737-300 belonging to the 737 Classic series and was designed to replace the original 737-100s and 200s. The development of the 737 Classics began in 1979, and the 300 model, also the first variant of the 737 Classic series, first flew in 1984 and entered service in December that year with US Airways. The other two variants of the 737 Classics, the 400 and 500 models, entered service in 1988 and 1990. The 400 model had a 10 feet longer fuselage than the 300s, and the 500 model had an 8 feet shorter fuselage than the 300, thus making the 500 model the shortest variant of the entire family. Here are some comparisons between the 737 Classic models. Compared to the original 737-100s and 200s, the 737 Classics were redesigned with the new CFM-56 engines with a higher bypass ratio, meaning they are larger and with better fuel efficiency and improved electricity system. This particular 300 model right here can carry from 126 up to 149 passengers with a 110 feet fuselage, while the 400 model carries from 147 up to 168 passengers with a 120 feet long fuselage. And the 500 model carries from 110 to 132 passengers with only a 102 feet long fuselage, similar to the 200 model. The 737 Classics competed with the McDonnell Douglas MD-80 family initially, especially the MD-81 and 82 models. And then the 737 Classics competed with the Airbus A320 family. In all, the 737 Classic family was in production from 1981 to 2000, producing a total number of 1,988 planes with 1,113 300 models, 486 400 models, and 389 500 models. This series is my personal favorite, but sadly most of them are retired right now and only with a few in cargo service. But luckily I've been on one before. The 737 Classics was replaced by the 737 Next Generation, produced since 1997 up till now, consisting the 600, 700, 800, and 900 models. The Next Generation series was designed to better compete with the A320s that had a better control system. And then came the 737 MAX family. Not to mention these are grounded due to the flawed MCAS. I think they just simply look ugly, with the extremely ugly engine chevrons and the winglets. But that's just my personal opinion. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Tell me in the comment section below how you think this video was. Again, this is xModder077, and I'll see you guys next time.